Hello guys, this is Rohit from Salesforce Jungle. I came up with new opportunity in IBM. So IBM is hiring in bulk. Listen, in bulk from 100 to 200 for the support. So IBM is hiring a Salesforce developer as soon as possible. They want a Salesforce developers, and due to this pandemic, nobody is applying for like jobs. There is like everybody is looking for secure job and all, so try to apply as soon as possible and share this. Guys, share this and help other job seekers to get a job. So for the regular update, you can subscribe our channel. Every day we are sharing 2 to 3 posts of every company. We have already collaborated with a company who is giving us leads for the Salesforce developers. If we are able to reach us, just subscribe and share the videos so that every student and job seeker you can help with. And let's start with the job portal, what they are offering and what is the requirement of the IPM. So I have watched out the whole scenario. There are some facts and figures that I want to tell you briefly. Just watch the video, full video. It's very, very important. So now the job key details. First we'll read country India, state Karnataka, city Bangalore, and category software developer and support. So basically, where there is and support in IBM means it's support. Try to understand 80% support, 20% development. Not even that. I know I have a lot of candidates in the IBM. I have like my own friends in the IBM. So I have very much trust on this. So required education, bachelor's degree, position type early professional. Early professional, they can hire even 6 month guy with the full skilled of Salesforce. Employment type full time, content type regular, company IBM India Private Limited. So let's go over the responsibility, roles and responsibilities. Who you are as as a Salesforce developer. This role requires a candidate to design, develop, a test, maintain Salesforce CRM application and a sales service spanning multiple technology platform within the portfolio of application developer, change management, application appliance support, and coordinate for the regular maintenance and adhoc development for the key component of the role. So basically, IBM is new in this Salesforce. Now they are looking after some project outside the India, and now they are appointing us their support team for for a Salesforce. So try to focus it. IBM is one of the leading company, so if they are going for this, they are going to hire minimum 2000 to 3000 employees. Over, like this is more than enough for them, because for MNCs they'll hire like in lakhs, but IBM 2000 employees, but they're giving high salaries of like 10 to 12 lakhs, not less than 8 lakhs, not less than I am telling you, not less than 8 lakhs. So partner with other Salesforce.com admin development team members to ensure timely delivery of the work to the business takes. So design, develop, test, implementation, this is nothing but the support, nothing but the support. It's a great opportunity for the freshers, for the experienced. Apply as soon as you can. Prepare documentation including requirement, technical design document, configuration, workbook, test cases, and all these things. Support, troubleshoot, integration between Salesforce.com and other enterprise systems. Ongoing improvement in Salesforce.com interact with. Doing continuous reach out. Basically, I'll tell you what is this. I first will read this and tell you what you need to do, what you're supposed to do in that. Overall 6 to 8 experience in the Salesforce.com development. No, no, no. Like this is not even valid when they have written this. Early professional means 6 month guy also they'll take. I am very much familiar with IBM. Exposed to the Agile, SDLC automated units. So this is a support team, hands-on experience in Salesforce, sales support cloud, lightning and communities, proven experience with the Salesforce development, administration, system integration, and bug fixing, experience with the front end languages, tools, web. So these all language you need to web light component and all. It's like basic knowledge you need to have of Visualforce and all. Basically SDFC certification, certified developer, knowledge of general IT solutions and all these things, verbal communication and excellent communication skills, experience with the Salesforce DX and CD and CI, CD and continuous integration, continuous deployment. I will cover this topic. It is very important. I think you guys need to work on this. Experience working with the business partners to enterprise. So you need not to worry. Just apply as soon as possible. So their requirement is very less. Application administration, control, security, compliance, indicating change management, knowledge on Java, object-oriented concept, web, good development experience with Apex, experience in Visualforce pages 12. That's it. So guys, apply as soon as possible. This is very good opportunity with IBM. So you will get a job in 2-3 months. So they will call you also because they have a requirement. They have added this. So try. I'll put I'll put the link in the description, and try to share this video so that other job seekers can get help. And if you help someone, you will be also get helped. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe the channel. Thank you.